Today I'll show you how to set up a cloud account in Google Chrome, which ensures all your data is backed up. First of all, open up Google Chrome. Then select the person icon on the top right and click on Turn on Sync. This will take you to a Google Chrome sign-in page. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account at the bottom, select your relevant option and fill in all the details shown here. If it doesn't automatically sign you in after creating the account, then you can go back to the person icon and click Sign In again. Now we can check the sync settings by selecting the sync icon. Manage what you sync allows you to sync everything or select the specific items that you want to sync. As you can see below, we can select specific items and then toggle different features on and off to stop them from syncing. We'll keep that on sync everything. You also have links to control how your browsing history is used and to review all of your sync data. We'll take a look at the browsing history. As you can see, you can turn web and app activity on or off. This is currently off, but you can toggle this on. Then it will just ask you to confirm, and you can just as easily turn that back off again and pause the history. Then there's a couple other options here, such as include Chrome history and activity from sites, apps and devices that use Google services, and include voice and audio activity, and these are totally optional. You can also set data to automatically delete. We don't have any here, but if you did, you could select this. You could also go into review your sync data, and this will tell you all the apps, extensions, settings, etc. to have data linked to your Chrome account. And at the bottom there'll be a blue button where you can clear all of your data. You also have options for encrypting your passwords. You can leave the default options or use your own passphrase. As stated here though, it does not include payment methods and addresses from Google Pay. You can also turn off sync at any time from the top here. Select the button and then confirm it, and this will sign you out of your account and stop syncing any data. And that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.